Right, useful things when changing the centre prop shaft bearing. Well, obviously keep that because you're going to guide the new bearing in. Make note how it's assembled. Mostly that sleeve is going that way, covering any dust going into the bearing from that side. What else? Usual thing, that blow hammer, mallet, puller to get that old bastard out. Some rust release. Where is it? Oh, oversized socket, just so you can put it onto that and mostly guide the new bearing with that in. It doesn't take much force, but you have to be consistent with it, so try not to put it at an angle or whatever's. 18mm spanner is preferable with a ratchet end, just to get that bolt out and in. Mark the drive shaft because these drive shafts are balanced mostly, so you have to mark it either side of the bearing where it separates from each other. I marked it up here as well, and on that one, that end as well somewhere. Yeah, it's just here, just so I know if I've put it right or not. If not, I'm gonna have to take it out and redo. Well, mostly take the nut separate and align it, but I think I just made it bang on, I would say. Maybe not, hell knows. It looks a bit out, doesn't it? You can't get it perfect, that's all. Unless you, I don't know, use something to have it line up. Anyway, prop shaft is balanced, so it's best to get it in the right position. Otherwise, you're going to have humming sounds, as both sides are balanced to each other. So you're going to have some kind of a vibration on it, which you don't want. That's all it is. But besides that, it's not a difficult job. The difficult job is getting that end out, just because it sits in quite a lot of rust. And it's literally sitting like 3mm inside a sleeve on the diff, so you're going to struggle trying to push it out. Best use some rust release, brush it off, take your time. If you can spin it, so if you've got it on the ramp, I've got it on the jack and axle stands. If you've got it on the ramp, it's a lot easier because you can spin the wheels mostly, put it into neutral and spin the wheels and get to these two nibbles where you can put your bar on and just give it a whack with a hammer. But besides that, that's the job. And that was the old one. What happened, that separated from the main carrier, and it's a typical fault. Just age, I'd say, because that looks, or just weak replacement part. Fuck knows. I don't know. Does it say anything? No, it's original. It's BMW. So BMW just being, bearing is good, but the outer sleeve just separated, so that's why I'm replacing it. There was a banging noise on in first gear when you started up, well, not started up, when you set off, and besides that it didn't do it on different speeds. It was just first and mostly setting off. Assemble it. I've got another one waiting for me just outside. That's 6 series. Massive leaks of oil and antifreeze. Need to sort it out probably tomorrow, because that's today's job, and I'm finished with it. Waiting for the covers for shock absorbers, and gonna do the back on that as well, the shockers and springs. That's about that. Fit it back on.